One of the big inspections that we perform with the Elios would be pipe and pipe rack inspections in the refinery. We primarily inspect the outside. It's a lot of times very congested in that area, so you're able to get the Elios into spots where you normally wouldn't be able to see from the ground or even using a different drone from above. It allows you to get in those hard to get to places. A lot of times it's a couple feet of space between tiers of a pipe rack, and we're able to get the Elios in there and inspect the underside and the top of each tier of the pipe rack. It is a lot faster of a solution. You're able to get out on site, get the Elios up in the air and get the data that you need versus the time it takes to build the scaffolding or getting the rope screws out there and getting them set up to do their job. We do this type of inspection once or twice a week. Depending on the length of the pipe rack, it may take us 10 minutes for about 50 feet. It allows for us to safely do the work from the ground, and also if there is damage in a pipe rack that we're unable to see from the ground, it may not be good to have somebody up there in the line of fire, so we're able to send the drone in to do that visual inspection beforehand. Most of the time we're looking for any kind of surface corrosion, any visual corrosion to the tops of pipes or bottoms of pipes that they're not able to see from the ground, any kind of defects in the coatings or anything like that on the pipes.